Hey guys, so even before I show you my awesome haul today with some free ROBITUSSIN and really inexpensive items, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. And this week has been the story of going any place, buying something, and making a whole bunch of points with that app. It is terrific, and Unilever is part of their catalog. And man, it's been raining points all week. So if you've even done my Axe deal, you might have gotten almost $4 in points. And this is a spectacular app. If you have not signed up, today is your lucky day. Please check out the link and use my code. It's right there on the screen. And when you download the app, punch in my code and photograph your first receipt. It could be a pack of gum that you bought last week at Walgreens. You're going to be given 2,000 points. When you hit the $5 mark, you can get yourself a Starbucks gift card. It is that easy. So this is again for new signups only. Check out the link and don't forget to use my referral code in the notes. This is a tremendous app, and I think it's going to be like in this video every time I say Fetch Rewards $3 or Fetch Rewards 700 points, you're going to have to take a drink because I made so much. I think I made a $10 gift card off of this video just from the items I bought. It is a stupendous app. You're going to want to sign up because you're not going to want to miss out next week or the week after whenever they have items like this in their discoveries page, because it is absolutely spectacular. Here we have my deodorant deal that finally arrived to my local Walgreens, and I paid $3.99 for 12, so they're like 33 cents a piece. Oh my gosh. I know a lot of you are getting that. You're getting your deodorant shipped, and a lot of you are pretty excited by that. I mean, this is just a killer deal. And but I know a couple of you have been telling me also in the comments that the ship to store has that offer isn't allowed anymore. So it's your choice. Is the $5.99 worth it or not? Again, your choice. And as you can see, this is good until 2022. So if I wanted to use one of these, one every other month, I would probably be set for 2 years. So that's a really fabulous deal. All the information for this as well is in my video from Monday. Sorry guys, we're having a focusing issue again today. But yeah, just terrific when you can get that much deodorant for next to nothing. We have a deal here for some free ROBITUSSIN. My money-making Axe, I did it twice over a couple of days, and then we have some very cheap Cottonelle back there. We have some free Polident over at Rite Aid, and some free Poly Grip. Inexpensive Dove, a whole bunch of Walmart, including some toys that are 90% off. I'm going to talk about this at the end because I know clearance toys isn't everybody's cup of tea, but to get something at 90% off, a lot of this are Christmas gifts for my nieces. So I think I spent altogether between last week and this week just under 30 bucks, and I have presents for 4 kids. So that's not breaking the bank. And for the price I would pay for one, I usually get them like Cabbage Patch dolls or like a Care Bear, like $34 for one. They always get you really hard, especially in December, to get all this stuff for next to nothing. It's totally the way to do it. Not that $30 is next to nothing, but to get 4 really nice gifts for, 30 bucks, it's totally the way to do it. Weather report for you guys. It is about 80 degrees today, another humid one. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Okay, we're gonna talk about Walgreens right off the bat. So, as I said at the beginning of the video, visit my video from Monday. I'll link it at the very end. And if you want to have this shipped to store, or if you want to have it shipped to your house, if the $5.99 is too much, that's your decision. And how to check to get your because for every 2 that you're buying, you're getting back 3,000 points. And I already got back my 18,000. What you have to do is go into your Walgreens account and go to points activity, and it should be posting there. So after the items get shipped, that's when my points were posted right away. So I ordered this on Monday morning, and the points were on my card Monday evening after it was shipped. So hopefully that's crystal clear. And again, there's a little bit of work to this deal, so check out the video linked at the end if you want to try and give it a shot. Now this is a really fantastic deal. I got 5 ROBITUSSINs completely for free. So these guys are on clearance for $1.89 a piece. We have this wonderful $3 IVC coupon found in the August Big Book of Savings. See where my thumb is? So this will get reduced down to $1.89, so I just have to pay tax. Alternatively, if you can find the children's ROBITUSSIN, because I know that's also been on clearance, you could possibly get both of these for free. So what I did for this, for the newbies, I'm just going to run you through it. I grabbed all 5 of these in one transaction. Cashier scanned all 5. And then I got the cashier to scan this once. And then the full amount came off, like it was dollars or whatever it was, $11 came off. And I just paid tax for the ROBITUSSIN with this IBC coupon. So I know that a lot of this medication has been on clearance. You might want to walk down your medicine aisle, see what they might have, if they have the adult or children. This is the adult. You can get it for free. And yes, you can do 5 per transaction. Okay, the next deal that we did, I did this over 2 different days, and this is just a really easy deal. And you have to do it in 2 receipts. You can't have it like 6 in one receipt. These guys are $4 a piece, so I grabbed 1 dry spray or deodorant spray, 1 body wash, and 1 shampoo and conditioner. So 1 and 1 per transaction. So that's $12 right there. I used 10,000 points. I had to pay 2 out of pocket. IBOTTA is giving back $3.75 when you buy like 1. It's all in different increments, like $1.50, $1, that sort of a thing. And then Fetch Rewards gave me back $3.62. They're also giving back a bunch of rebates. And then ShopKit's giving back 1,000 points, which is $7.20. So altogether, that's $14.75 of rebates. So it made it free plus a $2.75 moneymaker. So it's fantastic. So I did this on Sunday, I did this on Tuesday, and then I did it today on Thursday. And this was 3 separate receipts. And I can't stress it enough. It is very smart to go into your IBOTTA, Fetch, and Shopkick account to make sure that you have all of these rebates I'm describing. If you don't have them, maybe it's not worth doing the deal, but mine reset 3 times for me, and I think IBOTTA, it's expiring today or later today at midnight, so I can't do this anymore, but I'm very delighted to get, you know, 3 sets of these Axe products. That I grabbed was a 12-pack of the Cottonelle. This guy is $5.99. We had a $1 digital coupon that showed up on Sunday, so I dropped it down to $4.99. I basically used points to pay it down and just to get toilet paper at that cost, because this toilet paper is usually close to $8 for a 12-pack. That's a really killer deal, so I got one of those. So now we're heading over to Rite Aid. A special shout out to Mrs. Empty Nester. She's absolutely fantastic. And part of this is in fact her dealios for the Polydent and Polygrip. So the Polygrip, this guy is $2.59. There is an in-flyer or an in-ad coupon for $3 off. So it makes it free plus 93 cents of overage. I got, you know, 3-in-1 transaction, so I had $2.79 of overage. This guy is on clearance for $2.39, so this overage paid for this. And then I think Fetch gave me back 1,300 points for this. Another superb deal is with the Polydent, and these are the little tabs to clean your dentures. They're $3.35. Again, with that $3 flyer coupon, is dropping it down to 35 cents. A very quick question, depending on your store, they might let you do 7 of the in-ad flyer coupons, or they might let you just do 1. It depends on your store. The cash register can take up to 7, but again, if your store is super strict, that's not happening. You're just getting this and walking out the door crying. But I was able to get a whole bunch, and why I wanted all of these products is my mom actually wears dentures. So like this alone is half a year of denture cleaner for her. So she'll be very delighted with that. Okay, so over at Walmart, I did a various amount of deals and then I got some toys. We'll talk about the toys at the very end. So the first deal that I did were with these Mead notebooks, and they're 97 cents a piece. So for 2 of them, that's $1.94. Ibotta's giving back $1 when you buy 2, as is checkout 51, making it free plus a 6-cent money maker. The Lemmy Shine is also a superb little deal. This guy is $3.97. You'll have to pay that out of pocket. Ibotta is giving back a $2 rebate. Shopkick is giving back 275 points. So the final price point for this guy is basically 87 cents. 250 Shopkick points is $1, so I got back like $1.10 for that. Another hot deal is on the Tresemme shampoo. These guys are $3.83, I believe, each. So for 2 of them, it's $7.76. We had a 4 off a 2 from a recent Retail Me Not, so I had to pay $3.76 out of pocket for the 2. Shopkick is giving back 1,400 points, which is the equivalency of $5.60. And Fetch gave me back 2,200 points, which is basically like $2.20. So it made this guy free plus a $4.04 money maker. I'll take that all day, every day. What a fantastic deal. This Suave shampoo, the Professional, this guy is $1.89. Checkout 51 is giving it back a $2 rebate, and Fetch Rewards is giving back a 75-cent rebate. So it made it free plus a 77-cent money maker. Just a couple little goodies that I picked up, nothing too extravagant. These Great Value, which is the Walmart brand of these hand sanitizers, 35 count, were $1.83 each, so I picked up a couple. We do use quite a few of these, my husband as well, when he's on the road. And then the disinfectant spray was, I think, like $2.37, so that's a really great price point as well. Guys, so earlier in the week I made a video about how to use Brickseek and how to navigate the app, how to navigate the website with using the UPCs, which are these, and to punch them in and to figure out what is on clearance at your store. You got to look it up on the Brickseek site, and I'll link that video at the end. It's exceptionally specific and it shows you exactly how to use that website if you want to try and find some of this toy clearance. I did not go too crazy with this, and the reason why is I have 4 nieces, and after I had purchased like a nice enough gift for Christmas, I'm done. I know a lot of people are like just clearing stores and getting 20 baskets, and that's great, but I just don't have the space for it, so I just really limited myself. I went and did all of this yesterday, and I was very happy with what I found. And again, I'm really in a crunch for space, so I couldn't go too wild. So this little, like a little lemonade stand, and it looks really cute. And we have 2 nieces that are both about 3. I thought this would make a really super cute gift, and that kind of looks like Daisy or Cat. These guys were $5. I mean, that's just a fantastic price point. And I'll leave the UPC in the next slide if you want to look it up on brickseek.com. Again, for our 3-year-old nieces, these are just some Sesame Street little figurines, 18 to 48 months. Those slime kits that I bought were not recommended for kids 3 and under, so that's why I'm kind of apprehensive to even give them that. So even though they're like exactly 3, I just, you know, I'm worried and I don't want them to be swallowing like glitter or something. But these sort of items, you know, it's supposed to be good for little kids and they really enjoy playing with it. And these were $4 on the nose. The original price for this, I think, was like close to 16 bucks or 15 bucks. The original price for this guy, I think, was I don't know if it was like 20 or 25, but it was a lot. And whenever it's a Disney product, it's always a little bit more, but how adorable is that? And then the last item that I got was these Frozen dolls, and again, I bought a very specific amount because I have 4 nieces, and it's just a little doll, and they all love Frozen. And why this one specifically is like the lead character, although I've never seen this movie. And these were $2 a piece. Now I'm gonna let you guys in on a little something. This rang up for $4, that rang up for $5, these rang up full price. But when you scanned it with the Walmart app, it was ringing up that you couldn't ring up the cost. But when I was ringing it up earlier when I was shopping around the store, it was ringing up for $2. So I guess the prices must have changed between when I walked into the store and scanned it initially to when I was checking out. Like something happened with the cost of the item where it was ringing up for one price and then it rang up for a different one. So it was $7.97, but the price earlier, like 20 minutes previous, was $2. The cashier had to call a manager, and then the manager honored the price, because even with their guns, it was ringing up for no cost, but at the cash register it was ringing up full cost. So they knew it was on clearance, and they just had to honor that. And I was so grateful to that manager, because I think 2 of my nieces were dressing up as this character for like Halloween, and they just want to be her. So I guess she's really nice. But these were $2, and that is just an absolute killer price, and it's just like an itty bitty doll. Like in comparison, it's not massive, but you know, it's just some toys, and that'll make a really good Christmas gift. And it's like 3 and up, so I think with this doll it's like easier than slime with glitter. Thinking for my 3-year-old nieces, I would put this and this and this, and then you know, that would make a really cool kind of Christmas gift. So if you think about it, 5, 4, that's 9, $11 for 3 really cool toys for Christmas. I mean, that's just the way to do it, and to just really have Christmas on a budget. And this is already done, so when December rolls around, I can be doing my Ibotta shopping and couponing, and I don't have to worry about toys. Okay guys, so as stated, you got to go to the site Brickseek to type in these UPCs. Visit this video from a couple days back if you want a quick tutorial on how to use Brickseek, and the following slides will be a bunch of different toys and the UPCs. If you want to look them up on the Brickseek site and then head out to Walmart and see if you might be able to find them. Specifically, I was finding them in the toy area. It wasn't in a specific clearance area, and they're just peppered everywhere. And even don't forget to look really high for sky shelves, because a lot of these toys are just tucked away on a top shelf. So good luck with that, guys. And so the next bunch of pictures are going to be slides with UPCs. Remember to check out that video linked at the very end on how to use the Brickseek site. And then also, if you're interested in that speed stick deodorant deal, I have a video that's very detailed on that. So just a whole bunch of slides, and have a great one, guys. Bye.